One of the great new features of Windows 365 are the ability to restore snapshots, essentially. So inside the console, you go into user settings, and under your user settings configuration, you'll see here that you enable this great feature that allows them to do a restore point and delivers that service, and also it tells you how long and how frequently it does it. So when we go in and we look at our device, you'll see here there's a cool little tab here for restore points. It shows you all your restore points, when they were last restored, all that good stuff. So now let's see what happens when we shift to our machine. So you see here's my machine, and inside of it you can click this little restore button. You know, action cannot be reversed, deletes all data saved on there between time and now, moves any apps, blah blah blah. Hit yes, select, click restore, and so it's going to say restoring this cloud PC, and then when it's done you're going to have a little banner that says this PC has been restored. And it's just that simple. We hope you enjoy this really great new feature.